Hi everybody and welcome to Kids Craft with the Eaton Public Library. Today we're going to be making a sunburst piece of art, sunburst ray art. This is a great chance to talk about perspective in art as well as converging lines. So let's go ahead and get started. To make your sunburst, you're going to need a ruler, a pencil, a paintbrush, a piece of paper to work on, a circle, and some tape and some paint. This is a really good project for watercolors, or you can take acrylics, or you can add a little bit of water to your acrylics in order to make them look like watercolors. You can also use crayons, markers, or any other kind of thing. You also will want either a surface that you can work on or a piece of cardboard to tape your piece of paper onto. Go ahead and tape your paper down. Leaving a nice edge on all four sides. Once you have your tape in place, go ahead and find the center point of your piece of paper. Easiest way to do this is to find the two corners, draw a line between them. And then do the same thing on the other corner. You only need that center point though, so there's no real point in drawing both lines. Take your circle and center it on that center point and draw yourself a circle. From here, take your ruler and make lines that go from the side of your piece to the circle and then back out on the other side to the edges. Put these wherever you would like them. You can also draw all the way through the center. And then erase the lines afterward. If you want to be exact on this process, you could actually measure and make sure all the lines are equidistant around the outside of your design. Once you have the lines drawn in that you want, go back in and erase everything inside of the circle. You're now ready to paint. Once you like the way it looks, go ahead and remove the tape and let it dry. Have fun!